Okay, so you can tell we're at the end of play day because we've now positioned ourselves on a bench because our old legs are tired, but I'm now joined by Colin Powell, and Colin is the manager of Gwenfro Valley. Okay, so what have you been doing here today?
We've been doing water.
Water?
Water.
Good old H2O.
Yeah, well, H2 get you wet very quickly, and it was supposed to be about the movement of water, trickling, coming out of bottles and so on, and it descended into a water fight.
Sounds good to me.
So we soaked probably the best part of 200 kids today, and a couple of PCSOs. And
Oh, I caught them earlier, yeah.
yeah, and any adult who stands still long enough and stupidly close got wet as well.
Very good. Well, the question of the day has been, why is play day so important?
I think Play Day, or National Play Day, is in recognition of how important play is to children. And without having it on some kind of national basis where you celebrate it as widely as this, play, and children's play particularly, gets forgotten within general provision. I think it gets generally forgotten anyway that children need to play, should have space for play, should have time for play and so on. And it's generally the last thing that adults think about when they're considering the makeup of new housing estates, where they're going to live, the makeup of highways, cars come first, you know, all of that sort of stuff. So to have something that makes people think, actually children are part of our community and children should be considered in all that we do as adults, it's important. It just puts it on the agenda.
Very true. Very true. Well, thank you very much. I know there's not much left, but enjoy the rest of play day.
Oh, it's clearing up now. I'm drying off.
The not fun part. Thank you.